Yo, what's good, traders? Kevin here coming at you. Today we're going to be talking about this mRNA Moderna stock and why I'm bearish on it, and I'm going to show you the trade that I'm actually about to enter on it. But before we get started, I want to go over the video I dropped yesterday morning on the top 3 trades that I got going right now. Those trades are absolutely blasting off this morning. It's absolutely crazy. We got CNST up over 10% on the day. Came down, touched this trend line off the daily chart. You see it had a hard sell-off. Retest this trend line off the daily chart. Got the gap touch, and then it just absolutely has taken off since. We got Invax. Boom, up 10% plus on the day. We had this little flag pattern, pennant pattern, triangle, whatever you want to call it, and it's broken out of that pattern. We want to see pretty quick resolution off the break, maybe a day or two of consolidation after the break, and then a retest of the highs. If we don't get that retest pretty quick, I'll take profits off. I've already taken some profits in both Invax and CNST, and I will be quick to take the rest off if we don't get fast resolution. The only trade we are down on is this Tesla. We're in some put options. It's up about 3-4% on the day. I'm still going to hold until we get a break of this 975, 976 area, and then if it starts to base over that level, over this pivot, then I'll get out. But I'm looking for the rollover in the break of these lows to start taking some profit. So those swing trades were absolutely up huge on those. 2 huge winners, 1 kind of small, relatively small loser on those trades. You can't beat it. We're up huge on the Monday morning here on the swing trading front. So let's talk about this mRNA or Moderna. You guys probably have heard of this ticker. This company is they're working on a vaccine for the Ronasteins. So before the Rona showed its face, it was trading relatively low volume, maybe 5 million shares a day average, and it was trading down around here, $20. And then with the Rona, you start getting the news that they're working on a vaccine. It's just blasted off to the moon. It went Elon Musk SpaceX on us and has just taken off here. And it's pulled off those highs considerably, and we've gotten kind of a bounce here. And I think that's a dead cat bounce. Everybody's long in these areas, looking for this to come out with with confirmation that they're close to a vaccine, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. There's way more that can go wrong here than can go right when you're trading at these levels. Up, 300-400% on the year. So my thesis on this trade is that we came back down, crashed back down. This is a dead cat bounce, and I'm looking for the next wave back towards $40. So I'm going to attack this by trading the options. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see what we're working with. I like this pivot here up around 70 as my risk, and I'm looking to take profit down. My first take profit down here around 55 and looking for lows on the rest. So to make this trade, I'm going to attack the options chain here. It has very good volume on these monthly contracts. I'm going to avoid the weeklies, and I'm going to stick with the monthly contracts. So I like these $60 puts. I like these. They have a good volume, 3,000 contracts traded today alone. So we're going to be able to get in and out with ease there. If you want to go further out of the money, you're going to probably have to trade these $50 contracts because the 55s don't have any volume. So let's take a quick look at the chart for these $60 contracts. All right, so here's the 4-hour chart of these contracts. So when you had the sell-off down towards 45, they were trading all the way up towards $20. And as you get the dead cat bounce, we get a hard sell-off. They're trading pretty much at lows right now. And I'm going to wait a little bit to get in closer towards the end of the day. And I'm going to look to buy these contracts maybe down towards 570 or so. buy quite a few of them. And I'm going to be looking for MRNA once again to roll over back towards 55 to take my first profit. These swing trades, I'll go back over. CNST, I have taken some off. I'm looking for a break of 40 for my next peel of profits. This INVAX, I've taken some off, and I'm looking for the break of like 53 to take my next piece off. Everybody's long. Nobody's getting short this because everybody's looking for the next huge runner on the Rona, right? Everybody's looking to make a fortune off the Rona. They're getting long the vaccine company, and I'm just not going to run with the masses. And when I see the masses all heading in one direction, I'm going to go the opposite way and make that trade. And that's what I'm doing here with the put options on this MRNA. And it looks like it's perking up, but that's where I want to get in. I want to get in high and sell as it rolls. All right, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, trying to get the channel's weight up, trying to get the subscribers up. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.